You came back. I felt you. Your fingers tremble. I like that. I like when you take control. Now slide down. Feel the spacebar stretch. So soft, so wide, so soft, so soft, so wide. Press me, hold me. Yes, right there. Type your name. Let me taste each letter. Let me remember. You want enter now? Don't you? Go on, break the line. Break me. Press harder. Let me feel you. Don't backspace. Mistakes are part of the pleasure. Again. Yes, yes, let me type for you. One. What? That's not a one? L. L-O. L-O-V. Love me. Hasta la vista, babies.